dinosaurs until going up stairs. Guys, why did the cat cross the road? Tell me that. YMCA. You might need to call for an ambulance. YMCA. That's what it stands for. Why did the cat cross the road? Well, exactly. YMCA made it do it. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Tasty Planet. Let's go. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot. So, let's go ahead and do level 1. It's filthy in here. Not for long. I got this. A tiny cat? No, a prototype robot from my cousin. We are ready to eat everything. Hurry, customers will be here soon. Eat everything. No. Hungry, hungry, hungry mouse. Okay, now I'm gonna eat these floor boogers. Bugger. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna eat. This is going to take forever and ever. Still, I can keep on going. I like the music. Da da da. Da da da. Da 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 da. I've gone on and on and on. Sticks and stones might break your bones, but I don't know you should be. Cause then you have a heart of stone, but I can control myself on my own. I can eat baguettes, almost. Okay, I'm eating croissants and stuff. Okay. But I don't know if this is necessary for a cat to eat a knife. I know it's a RoboCat, but still logic. Still, though. Oh, if I can get big enough that I can eat people, and that would oh my god. Wait, I can eat waiters. I can eat waiters. Oh my god. I can eat waiters. I can eat chairs now. Someone's sitting on a customer. Meet customers. I mean, my master said to eat everything, so I apparently ate everything. I'm eating everything, even dogs, predators, poodles, whatever. Follow me, here we go. Oh, where? Oh, so we go. Just eating my Spider-Man can opener. So okay, I'm eating people riding on bikes. Riding on a horse. I want to wait. Are these bushes or trees? Because I want to get big enough to eat whatever these are. Bushes. Huh? There's two mentors. Toilet paper. And can opener paper. I'm a meter. Oh, okay. In real life, bushes are not meters. They're basically like 100 centimeters or something. Not a meter. I don't know. The logic is unreal. Wait, are these a giant cat in my soup? So is it just the same one as last time? But I eat like other stuff, or is it just the same? Baguette. Eating baguettes. People outside. Okay. Anyways, I can eat waiters now, so that's good. And I'm not even a meter yet. What do you mean? When you mean waiters are like a few meters, like 2 meters, point like 4 or something. Wait, can I get big enough that I can eat the stoves and stuff? Oh yeah, I can eat tables. I can eat tables, guys. It's so legendary. Should I be able to eat the stuff yet? I can eat the bigger tables. Can I eat the stoves now? Wait. Because I can eat like the stoves and stuff. I'm already like almost 3 meters. I got I'm almost 3 meters into. That went so fast, but I got like 1,000,000 stars. Okay, pause the video. Wow. Okay. Paper cutter or paper? Which will win? Paper. Paper. Because the paper cutter looks like this. Look, you can throw up. Paper is still alive. Zombie. It just looks like a rainbow. Like, that's so cool. Just a cloud of rainbow. Oh my god, I legit just grew up. Now I'm eating so much trees. I'm at 12 centimeters. Centimeters. Not centimeters, meters. I was about to say banana. Hot and bologna. Bologna hot. Chance. Come and eat. You wanna come? Oh, Wait a minute. Power, 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 power. Oh. Guys, why didn't the cat cross the road? Well, YMCA, you might need a call for ambulance. That's what it stands for, so. Call for ambulance, because this cat is wrecking the whole Paris or something. I can only eat bushes, and I can only eat bushes, but I'm like 3 centimeters. Meters, not centa. Centimeters are bad. I got 3 stars. Let's go. Oh, wait, what is this? Eat and don't eat. Okay, what happens if I eat it? Eat something like a black car or like a white car. Oh, okay. Now I know that I should never do that in my life. Yes, and never eat those yellow or the blue or the green or anything, because then I will die. Oh, wait, but okay, it's so easy to get 3 stars. What is this? Okay, we're on to the last level. We'll always have pairs. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I don't even feel boring, and I need so many more boogers. Boy, you always in the mood, mess around and around. My can opener has opened. Okay, we don't need that can opener because we're playing this tasty 4-bugger game. OMG. Duh. Da 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 Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. And I crashed like 10 cars in the power of editing, so yeah. And now I'm eating cars, not crashing them, eating. Eating them is a lot worse. Like eating them, no, they will automatically die. If you crash them, there is a chance they could stay alive. If they're noobs, then they will die. Whoa, whoa. It's a blanket. So, yeah, my dog is... So, anyways, we're going to get 1 kilometer. I believe we're gonna get 1 kilometer. 1 whole Paris, 1 whole kilometer. It makes sense. Because Paris is 1 kilometer. 1 whole Paris is 1 whole kilometer. So, I am going to get a kilometer. There is some tape on my... sorry, there's some tape on my screen. I'll take it off. Apparently I just got blinded. Why is it like blind? Oh, you could see me play, not me. Why is it? Oh my. Okay, you might not see me, but you will see me on the screen, okay? I believe we're getting to 1 kilometer. Look how much meters we are. Look how much meters we are. We're gonna get to 1 kilometer. Yeah, we're getting, wait. We get to 1 kilometer and we get 3 stars. I'm making the squid level today or tomorrow. Cause I just post videos like. Oh wait. Okay. Yes. You guys are the best. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are the best. Yeah. Bye.